Hey guys, welcome to my channel Biker Imperfect. I hope all of you are having a crazy weekend. Now finally I got some time to show you something which I got from the Amazon Great Indian Sale apart from the Canon EOS 1500D. So that something is tada! This is the GoPro HERO 2018 version. Now this is the budget GoPro action camera supplied by the house of GoPro, and it's their entry-level action camera. It's the GoPro HERO 2018. Now the price for this action camera starts at rupees 19,000, but during the sale it was available for 14,000. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal again. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is how the GoPro HERO 2018 version comes packed. Now this box is vacuum sealed, as you can see. So let's go ahead and open up. Now to open this box, what we have to do, we have to peel this blue tape on from the box. Okay, we are done. We need to open this up and pull this out. So let's keep this aside. Now this is how we open the box, and the camera comes in this stand. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just buckle this camera out. Now before that, what we can do is we'll just open up this screw. After you remove this, we can take this camera out. So this is how the action camera looks. It looks exactly like the Hero 5 or the Hero 6. So one cannot differentiate it from the Hero 5 or Hero 6 just by looking at it. It's only the functionality that differs. So this is how the camera looks. Keep this aside. We'll see what else is included in the package. We open this up. So this is the USB cable that comes with the camera to transfer your photos or videos. These are the two mounts that we need in order to mount it to our helmet. And this is the GoPro HERO battery that comes. So we need to insert this battery inside the camera to get it going. And this is the GoPro HERO user guide or user manual, as you can say. So that's pretty much all which comes along with the box. In order to use this camera, what we need to do is we need to install the battery inside it, and as well as a class 10 memory card as recommended by GoPro inside the camera to get it started. Now to install this battery, what we need to do is we need to pull this frame out and take the camera out, pull a little backward and then lift it up. Might take a little bit great force. Open this frame and push this camera backwards in order to take it out of the frame. To insert the battery, what we need to do is we need to press this button over here, slide this, lift this up and install the battery. So what we need to do is we need to match the grooves and install the battery inside it. We'll just push it in. And you can see there is a memory card slot over here, so we are going to install our memory card over there. So there will be a click sound. As you can see, we need to close this and push this a little bit and make sure that this button again pops up back, because that ensures that the camera is waterproof. Now what we are going to do is we are going to remove the screen or the lamination which has been provided on the screen to protect it during the transit. This is just for protection. We have opened this. Now there are two buttons in the GoPro Hero 2018 action camera, as well as in the Hero 5 and Hero 6, the start and stop recording button, as well as the power or the mode button. Now you can also view different modes through the touchscreen, but if you're not using the touchscreen, we can use this button as well. So we will click this button and the camera will turn on. So I have installed the battery inside it as well as the memory card, but still the camera isn't turning on. So I guess the battery is totally drained. So what we'll do is we'll charge this camera, and then we'll go through it. Once it acquires a decent amount of charge, then we can go through the camera tour. In order to charge this, what we will do is that we'll take this USB cable, data cable, which has been given along with the package. This one is meant for the GoPro series. This is a type C USB cable. Okay, so we'll take this data cable, put it in our power bank, and then charge the camera. Now in order to charge the camera, what we need to do is we need to press this button and pull it down, lift this up. Then we need to insert this type C data cable and put it inside the power bank. Well, according to the user manual, when you plug it inside the power bank and plug the type C into the charging slot, this red light over here should glow, but as you can see, it is not glowing. That means it's not charging. Now what I'll do is I'll try to switch on the camera and let's see if it switches on. Okay, it does switch on. Okay, but there is no charging symbol on this top right hand side. Usually when the battery charges, there is a battery symbol over here, and there is a charging symbol as well on the top right corner, and this shows that it's just switching on the camera through the power source, because it's getting a continuous power source from the power bank. So I think the battery is not working. No worries, we have this under warranty, and we'll try to replace the battery. So we just saw that the battery inside this camera isn't charging. Like, it's really disappointing. GoPro being such a big brand, you sell this defective battery along with the package. It's really disappointing. I won't blame the seller because it was vacuum sealed, so it's directly a defect from GoPro, and this product is not fake at all because I registered it on the GoPro sites as well. Now when I googled about this issue on the internet, I found out that there are many GoPro Hero 2018 users who have been complaining about this. So people who think that they'll get a budget GoPro camera and use it for their vlogs are really disappointed on getting this. And the battery unit as a separate also costs around 2000 rupees. So why would one get a new set of batteries when they are already spending so much on their GoPros? So GoPro, I would want you to give attention to this and get this fixed. Meanwhile, what I have planned is that I'll give you a quick camera tour on how to set this up and use this by plugging it into a direct power source. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is how the camera switches on, and it will ask you to set up the language. Now we'll click English. Now what this does is it asks you to agree the terms and conditions. Now we did that. We'll set up the date. Today is 20th of October. Yes, 2018. We set the date. Time is 12:50. I'm sorry, 12:40 p.m. So you just have to slide this. Okay. Yes. So the resolution that I'm recording right now is 1080. The frames per second is 60. The field of view is wide. Now we can change all of this by clicking here: wide, medium, and narrow. So I would select wide because that's what I like. The frame of rate we can select as 30 or 60. I have selected it as 60. The resolution we can select 1440 or 1080. So what I have done is I want it to be 1080. So in order to change from video to photo mode, what we can do is we can click over here and we can select the different options: video, photo, burst photos, or time-lapse video. So the video mode will allow you to record videos at 1080p and 1440p at 60 and 30 frames per second. The photos will be captured at 10 megapixels. So let's go ahead and see that. So on clicking that, you just have to click this start and stop switch to click a picture. So I'll show you that later on when we get some pictures as well. Now once we start recording, we can view the things which we have recorded over here, or we can connect it to the GoPro app. Now we haven't recorded anything, that's why it's showing there is no media, of course. So here what we can do is we can turn on the video stabilizer and the auto low light. Okay, so and here what we can do is we can connect to the GoPro app and we can download all our videos and photos on the go to our phone. And this here, right here, is the GoPro voice control, so we can start recording with just our voice in case we are traveling or our hands are equipped. Now the preferences will allow you to go through the camera tour, know about this GoPro, the updates, the time, date format, language, everything. And it can also guide you through all the settings of the camera that you want to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and take some shots outside and see how the footages are. So this is the 1080p 60 fps video resolution. Now I am recording my voice through the internal mic, as GoPro says that it is not compatible with an external microphone, but we'll see that in the future, because I have seen some videos where people are using external mics on this. So we'll confirm that later on. But what you are seeing right now is a 1080p resolution video at 60 frames per second from the GoPro HERO 2018. I do not know how wide the field of view is, but I have set it in the wider field of view. So let's see how the footage is. I'll show you around. Now let's try clicking some pictures with this GoPro HERO 2018. So right now I'm checking the setup for motovlogging. Like I would get this field of view, which is pretty good. So this is how it will look when I motovlog. So I'll get this much wide frame of view, so that will be sufficient for our motovlogs. So I'm quite happy with the quality of the camera right now. The only thing is I need to get the battery replaced. Now that was all about the GoPro HERO 2018 version, which is the cheapest GoPro that you can get off the market. About the battery replacement, I'll keep you guys posted on what I had to go through, or how easy was it, or if I even got a replacement or not, in a separate video. For users who are wanting to get a budget action camera for GoPro, you can go for this because it's a pretty good package. But keep in mind that they are also giving defective batteries, so you might have to hit on some bumps. I'll leave all the technical descriptions in the description box regarding this camera so that it's easy for you guys to follow. So I hope you like this video, and if you do so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Biker Imperfect. And if you have any suggestions or anything to say, you can comment on the comment box below. I'm looking forward to hear from you guys. So till then, stay tuned, take care.